guys, welcome back. So it's lunchtime and we're about to get a smoothie. Yes, so I get smoothie, we're not getting food. I get something very light, but yet delicious. I'm gonna show you a little smoothie spot. Yeah, very rich is here. You want to say hello today? Rich now. Yeah. So right here too. She's in her back. Kelsey's at school, so we're gonna just go in for the because the smoothie them do take a little bit of a time to get it done. So let me just show you guys and go out our smoothie. So it's called Press Cafe. I come here already and show them, but you know what? Take two. You can see it again. You like it, baby? Nice? Y'all see that? Look at this. It's so pretty. That sun is setting. Wow, it's like a movie. Such a beautiful scene right around. Guys, good morning. So you know some of the year a morning time drop Kelsey to school and no need to do and feed Soraya and the full works, but me get a little hungry. Remember some have some ackee in the fridge. I see I can say I got to make it that now. So I decide to fry two dumplings with it. So I'm show them just going so them fresh. But that I go on. Yeah. Okay. Yes, baby. Come on. What's up? Yes, hot. Stay away from it. Hot. You think it's funny? Hot. Bath? You want to take a bath? Alright, give me 1 second. I'll make you take a bath, alright? Soon come. Go sit down. We'll take a bath. Alright, the dumpling them finish now. So I warm up the ackee. When them finish, I warm up the ackee and then I enjoy. I'm sure no one need all done though. Alright guys, you don't get no better than this. I wonder if you not see good. It doesn't get any better than this. See there, the food ready, I'm gonna eat it. That is it. We're at the jerk center. It's Saturday. Again. And sorry about the jerk chicken. Say hi. She knows how to say hi. Hi everybody. Dashi. Kelsey said hi. Hi everybody. Baby. So, this is baby. This is baby. This is mommy. Dashi. Dashi baby. Dashi. Dashi baby. Hi. So yeah guys, we're at the jerk center getting some jerk chicken. We get jerk chicken and then that is it. Hey guys, so the food came back. Kelsey got chicken, Soraya got chicken, and I got pork and soup. So we're going to go and dive in right now and enjoy. A little bit spicy, but it's good. It's good, Kels? Alright. You don't drink all your water? Alright, on this other pork, it looks so scrum. Sorry, I can't go to it. Look how good this looks. So I have to festival and I eat it. Baby? I'm showing you the jerk place already, which is Farmer's Jerk Center in Old Album. But I eat the food and I tell them I eat the jerk pork and the chicken, it mellow. Today is a good day. You know when you put it down to marinate and it will marinate. And then you put it on the grill and it just mellow. It's a good day. I have like a soup. I'm gonna drink it too. It was that good, but I forgot I can get a piece more of pork. Normally I'm satisfied because they buy soup and everything from me, but you know, I'm gonna get one for the road. So we get some more festival when I go to my show and I jerk pork on the grill. And some festival, so that is it. No, it's nice. Well, nice. It's nice? Yeah. It's nice, Kelsey. It's nice, Rich. Well, nice. Alright, that is it. Okay, so we left the jerk stand. And now we're there one little. We're there one next jerk stand, but I know that we come for. One gentleman sell some Magnum we make, some natural stuff we make. And Spirulina. Now just I get to going back. So that's that. I'm going to show you when we get inside. It's so good though. I read normally buy them stuff there, but it's enough. But yeah, as a man, I make you tell about it when you come in and here. Alright, hold on. So, as you come in, why you show them what you got?
A bottle of Spirulina and a Magnum.
Pretty good for man.
Good for both.
A woman too.
Good for both man and woman.
Yeah. So that's it. So you want to show them? I'm showing us. So go back for the road.
Yeah, every Saturday I come get the bottle, you know.
When I come down that side, I come like I come out for the whole eating spree for church.
Why?
But I understand. Food wise, when we come down here, it says like what? Jerk chicken, jerk pork, vegetables, spirulina. And then we're en route for grandma's house. So that's our next stop. It's a grandma out for a reach run outside. So I got drink a full marrow. So
Yeah?
it is nice. It's good. It's a whole vibe. So it's still hot, but we're here.
Huh? Stone, asa pa kayo ba? Game ka stone.
I'm going to go and drink a little boom.
Make it rock, so make it shell on it.
And then we call them back. Yeah, bar. On the side, I cash back place. Yeah? What? Woo! Yeah, they brought me out to buy cash back to buy. So there, bar. I drink up on my rum. A number stick out to me, so now I'm a gambler. But I see my luck. I'll buy 22. 22? If you win, you come back to me. See like it's all win. Because of the number I stick out to me, I saw I see 3 Earth Sparks. And I felt like that was going to play. So, your theories?
Oh, you know, say 22 hours. Oh, you know.
I trust you.
What you say?
I trust you. You be safe. Yes. That you tell me. Because look, I don't gamble, so I don't know. But you know, we're doing a little vibe, and decide we'll buy. We'll buy, and we're gonna see what's going on. So I'm gonna in for a thrill. Let's see if we play. Oh, and then 15 stand out to me and we're buying it. What is? For the one here?
Pick two and pick four.
Pick two. Pick two. Pick four. And then that one your cash back? Look at that man, Kishi, you're going to get some money today. If we really get some money today.
Cash back, but I don't want this.
Lucky for lucky.
Yeah,
and then we'll buy lucky 4 because 15 stand up, so 15, and that 15 or 22 I go play, but we'll win some money today, can we believe? Fingers crossed, let's see how it turn out. How much? 22? Watch out, me, I feel good in there. Can we tell her she cheers and she's a responsibility? We'll tell her first me I see it, so. So, stay tuned to see food. Alright, so we left the bar and we end up come and shop for Kelsey and Sarah, you know, little mommy and big mommy, come buy them something for munch pan cause after the jerk, it's been an hour or 2 now, so them kids hungry. So we'll give them a little placeholder, so that bun. They didn't have any cheese, but the bun will work with some snacks, whatever them choose, with cran water and water.
Lyrics?
Yeah, show them your drinks and tell them about your drinks, baby.
This is lyrics.
Okay, lyrics. And today I'm your lyrics.
Also, it tasted like bubblegum. And when I turned it around and thought it was bubblegum flavor, I guessed it right.
Oh, it's so good. Tastes good. It goes to why she eating ice. Okay, ice. Okay, ice, Momo.
Yes.
Nice? Very nice. But we got some bun, but they never have no cheese. But Auntie gonna look cheese for Kelsey. And we got some banana chips and some cheese sticks. But Auntie I'll already give Saraya's juice and Kelsey lyrics. So I don't know. They good. But we got a fancy cup at the shop with some ice because the this wasn't cool enough. So Saraya there eat all the ice. Yeah, that's it. It's nice. Gotta be careful. It's so good. That's a little boat are you? Dada. You see Dada? Yeah, Dada over there. Yummy? Cold, right? That lyric is so good, Kissy. So good.
Ryan tasted it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stop doing it and come closer. See how the boys are looking. Close. Okay. Boy. Yo!
Nothing, look again.
Yo!
Hey guys, it's night time. We made it back home. We never win my cash pot, but it's okay. Not really, not alright. We didn't want to win. But anyhow, we're home and we're all watching a movie. So I'm gonna come to spend. Yeah, my baby come. I'm gonna come to spend.
Baby?
Yes, baby. Say hi, baby. Hi.
Baby?
Yes. I'm gonna come to spend time with them. Come and go back out there, so go watch a movie. It's a bit loud, so I'm gonna come in for this. Make them know what's up, and then get back out there. Anyhow, we get a little bit hungry, so we ordered some pizza, and I'll show you guys when it gets here. All right, bye. Later. She just opened up her camera. Bye bye. Bye guys. Yes, sir, I sing happy birthday. The pizza is here. We got pepperoni. Then we got Hawaiian and cheese over here. Can you see how I take your foot slice? Can you see what you're eating and digging?
Yeah.
Hand wash? Nice. You want some soya? So that was my first bite of pizza out in Jamaica. I'm telling you, it was so good. Ciao. And put some little chili pepper flakes in that thing in there. I'm gonna sprinkle that on it. So good. But that is it for tonight. I'll see you in the light. Bye.